In this video, we will see that how to create a Vue.js login form inside your application. So for that, I am creating a folder called Vue.js, and inside this, I will open up my CMD. Okay. Now open your Google Chrome and here type for Vue.js. Now go to Vue.js website, and from here inside the docs go to quick start, and here as you can see this is a command to create new Vue project. So I will paste here and I click enter. After that it asking me for project, so my project is, let's say, app1. Click on no, 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 no. So as you can see our project got created. So go inside app1 directory and open VS Code from here. So I'm using VS Code and I will also recommend you to using this. And the second thing is, when you using VS Code and when you using the Vue.js, just type for Vue.js. Okay, just type for Vue.js or maybe Volar. I hope, yeah, this is the Vue.js. So just install this extension. Okay, so it will rapid up your development. Now you need to install npm install for installing all the dependencies of your project. Okay, now go to VS Code and inside here just wait for to install this npm. As you can see npm got installed. Now type here npm run dev, so it will start our server. So as you can see in the 5173 port our project got loaded. So type here localhost colon 5173. As you can see Vue.js project is here. Now first go to inside main.js and I will comment this line and I will go to app.vue, and inside here I will delete all the messy stuff or of the Vue project. Okay, so I will delete this and I will delete these two import views also, right? I just need to make all the blank project so to understand yourself what is going inside beyond. And inside the assets I will also delete all this stuff. Inside main.js I will also remove this line. So as you can see this is the blank project, right? If I open up this terminal, so as you can see this is our project. Your project does not get loaded, so click on npm run dev after killing the process. Now open up your localhost. Now you can see this is our blank project, right? Because inside app.vue it does not write anything. Now I will include bootstrap CDN here. So type bootstrap, go to bootstrap website, go to docs. Inside here you will find this CSS CDN link. So copy this link and go inside index.html and paste the link here. And let's say our project name is login Vue.js. Okay, and if I go here and I refresh the page, as you can see this is login Vue.js. Okay, now go to here and also copy the JS script CDN link and paste above the main.js file. Okay, so as you can see our project is completely blank. Now we will type here form. So as you can see this is our form. So I will copy this form and here inside the template of app.vue I will write row, and inside here I will create a column, and inside this column our form will be loaded. Okay, so this is our form. If I go to my browser, so this is our form. Okay, so our goal is when I just fill up the email address and password, and when I go to my console it will print the email ID and password. So how to achieve this? So for that inside the script you need to type export default, and here first of all you need to name your component. So my component name is app, so this will be app. Now inside here you need to type data, and here you need to type return, right? So first of all we are using email address and password, so we will need two variables called email. okay, and password, and both will be blank. Now you need to bind this thing also. So at the end we will type bv-model, and inside here we will type email, okay, like this. And in the password field, for the input field, we will type v-model, and we will type here password, okay. And we will remove this checkbox. So as you can see, this is our project. Now if I refresh the page, all are working fine. Now when I click on the submit form, it will save the data and print the data inside console. So for that I need to type submit dot prevent, and inside here I will type, let's say, save form, okay. So this is the method which will trigger when I click on the save form. When I just click on the submit button, the method save form will be heated. So I will create this form inside here. So I will type here methods, and inside methods I will type the method name, okay. So what it will done, it will just say make a warn message, okay, warn, and inside warn you need to type this email and password. So I will type this dot email, and I will again type warn and say this dot password, right click, and I will click on format document. So as you can see, our code is ready. Let's try what happened. So if I refresh the project, so as you can see, our project is blank. Now let's say if I type me shimonto@yahoo.com and password, let's say like this, and if I click on the submit button, so as you can see, this is our email ID, this is our password, right? So in this way you can get this. If you want to alert this message, so you need to just, let's say, comment this line, and you need to type alert, and let's say you need to type like this. So email is, okay, so the email is this dot email, and sorry, password is, okay, this dot, sorry, this dot password. So you can write like this. So if I just refresh the form, so this is the form, and let's say if I type here I am Shimon there, sorry, I am shimontodash@gmail.com, and let's say this is my password, and if I click on submit button, so as you can see, this is our alert message with my name and password, okay. And let's say if you want to clear this form after the form submission, so how can you do this? You just type here this dot email equals to null, and again type this dot password equals to null. So what happened, let's see. So if I refresh the thing, and let's say I enter shimonto@microcodes.in, and this is my password, and if I click on submit, so it show the alert message. If I click on OK, so it just remove my input field. So in this way you can create Vuejs forms, okay, and you can also further proceed like fetch data or use Axios in your project. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like our effort, so just visit our website microcodes.in. So in the Google, just type for microcodes.in, and inside here you will find many types of tech blogs, right? Go to articles, and here you will find many types of coding related articles. So thank you guys.